Hey yo, this is your boy George, aka Young G, and I'm gonna be rapping for you today. So the reason why I chose rapping is it's a passion. I've always wanted to do this as a career in my life. So that's why y'all should vote for me. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of freestyle. So here goes. Sweep up all these niggas, call it soil erosion. Naturally high, no proportion, making new movements, fourth law of motion. Fly like a dove, not the lotion. Emotionally secure, I don't need the Trojan. Hot air balloon, sky high is where I'm flowing. You can go to the river just as long as I'm flowing. Brainiac showing a navigator where I'm going. I'm smoother than your chick, slick dress. I'm king of this game and I ain't talking about chess. Stretching all these verses like I'm doing aerobics. Crashing all these battles, make all these niggas forfeit. Dodging all these disses like I'm on the Matrix. And J is the only nigga you know who can say this. I change my flow like Calvin Klein. I got a new crew, YKM is the name. I ain't talking about Xbox when I'm saying a game. I'm in a booth prophesizing about my fame. Holla, holla to the #1 stunner. Swagger so deep I make your chicks to stutter. Man, I'm so smooth but don't confuse me about the autumn harvest, nigga. You could call me the farmer.